Let's start with decision control statement. Create a new file with name decision control statements. Then click on Create. First, create an integer. The first decision control statement that we are going to learn today is if-else statement. If-else statements are basically which are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Here we are giving the conditions that if your age is above 18 then you can drive. Otherwise, if your age is below 18 then you cannot drive. It will print that. Don't forget to include the red line to hold the output screen. You can see that it prints you cannot drive because we have mentioned our age below 18 or 18. Now if you will change the age, then it will print that you can drive. Now the second decision control statement is else-if statement. Else-if statements are meant to be used as an extension of the initial if statement. They provide additional conditions to be checked if the initial condition is not met. Therefore, a valid else-if statement always follows an if statement. In else-if statement, we can give multiple conditions to check. Here we are giving conditions that if the age is below 10 then it will print please finish your high school first. Here we are giving condition that if the age is equals to 17 then it will print please wait for an year. You can see it prints you can drive because we have entered the age value as 19. Now let's change the value and see the different output whether it is working or not. You can see that it is perfectly working. When we entered the age value as 17 it prints that please wait for any year. Now let's once again change the value of age. You can see it prints please finish your high school first. Comment out all of the code so that we can see another type of decision control statement. Now the last decision control statement is switch case statement. The switch case statement is used for executing one condition from multiple conditions. It is similar to an if-else-if ladder. We will use the same condition to test the switch case statement in our program. The variable which you want to check that you have to put inside the switch parameter. Here we are giving the condition that if your age is 18 then it will print you are eligible. In switch case statement you need to put a break in all of the cases. Here we are giving condition that if your age is 17 then please wait for an year. And if you will enter the age as 2, then it will print that you are just born. It is mandatory to add the default case inside the switch case statement. If any of the cases does not satisfy then the default case will be printed. Don't forget to include the read line to hold the output screen. You can see that none of the condition has satisfied the switch statement, therefore it has printed that please enter the correct age. Now let's change the value of age and test the different condition. You can see it prints that you are eligible. Likewise, you can change the value of the age and can check all the different types of condition that you have given in the switch case statement. Now let's comment out the switch case statement, because we are going to see that how to take the input from the user and perform this decision control statements. Uncomment the above program so that we can take the input from the user. Till now we have given the value of age ourselves by writing in our code. But now we will ask the value of age from the user. To do that, follow all the steps. First, print that enter your age so that the user will know that he has to enter this, and then the program will run. After that, we will create a string that will take our user input and will store the input inside our string. Now, just because the input that we have taken from the user for the age value is in string data type, so we have to convert the string data type to the integer data type. And to do so, we have to write this line of code. After modifying the program, just click on the Start to execute our program. You can see that if it asks us to enter our age, and when we will enter our age, it will give the output depending upon the age that we have entered. If you want the source code of this program, then it is provided in the description box. Please do subscribe if you like our video. Thanks for watching.